What is a radar detector, and how can it enhance your driving experience? Let's dig into that looking at 4 models from Escort. A radar detector is mounted in your vehicle and warns you of speed enforcement devices via audible and visual alerts so you can adjust your driving. They detect signals from speed enforcement devices like police radar or laser guns, can alert you of upcoming red light camera or speed camera locations, and the advanced models from Escort we'll be looking at can even provide shared alerts from other connected detectors. This helps you have even more awareness of your surroundings, giving you time to adjust your driving behavior. No one wants a costly speeding ticket, right? Or worse yet, increased insurance premiums. Escort radar detectors are smart and connected, totally modernized from the noisy boxes from decades ago. They've got tech to reduce false alerts too. For example, they can tell the difference between a true speed enforcement threat and false alarms like automatic door openers. Escort detectors also all have built-in GPS, which can remember locations of repeated false alerts to silence them in the future. Let's take a look at 4 models that cover different driving styles and budgets. These radar detectors are all made by Escort, who's been in the industry for almost 50 years. First, for drivers who want combined detection and monitoring, the Escort MaxCam 360C combines a high-end radar detector with an integrated dash cam. This model has comprehensive 360-degree radar and laser detection and offers directional arrows that show where the source of the alert is coming from. Super user-friendly. The built-in Wi-Fi keeps your detector current with the latest red light and speed camera location database and software updates. And the integrated dash cam records clear 1440p video. The built-in Wi-Fi makes pairing to your smartphone easy so you can view, edit, and share footage from the cloud. This is a top-tier model, providing alerts and video evidence for those situations where you need both. If you like that model but don't need a dash cam, the Max 360C Mark II and the Max 360 Mark II are great options for you. Very similar to the previous model, but without the dash cam. The difference between the two? The Max 360C includes built-in Wi-Fi for database and software updates. If you go with the Max 360, you'll just have to connect it to a computer for updates. And lastly, this is the all-new Escort Max 4, a great value option with excellent detection range and advanced filtering to minimize false alerts. This model is ideal for those who are new to radar detectors or for drivers who want the additional protection of a radar detector without the higher-end features. All Escort detectors come with the Drive Smarter app. With Drive Smarter, you'll not only get alerts from your detector, but also from other connected detectors in the app. If another driver detects an upcoming speed trap ahead of you, you'll receive an alert on your device, giving you even more time to adjust. This is especially useful when it comes to laser guns, which are instantaneous when they capture your speed. The app also lets you customize your radar detector settings right from your phone. Customize settings based on the radar bands commonly used in your area, or use preset settings to adjust the sensitivity based on your speed. You can also choose to adjust the different types of alerts you want to receive and modify the display color settings to match your dashboard and interior lighting. Finally, Drive Smarter integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can see your route and upcoming alerts right from your vehicle's compatible display, helping you keep your attention on the road. These radar detectors can be easily attached to the windshield and powered up with the included cable to a 12V socket, or can be professionally installed with a hardwire kit for a cleaner look. Escort's lineup of detectors can help make the road ahead a lot more enjoyable, letting you live life at your speed. If you'd like more info, you can shop with an expert on bestbuy.com. Thanks for watching.